Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually run your installation wizard on your DSTV Explora decoder if you are living in Kenya. Alright, so whenever you switch on your decoder for the first time, this will be the first page that will pop up in the installation wizard if they have not scanned the decoder. So all you got to do is to press OK with your preferred language. So you're gonna go in with English, press OK on it. And when you come here, you have the satellite list, and since you are living in Kenya, the right satellite for your zone is the E36B. You need to select this exact satellite and you press OK. When you come to the third page or the third menu of the installation wizard, we have the setup over here. So you need to come to the second option, that's the manual setup, and you press OK to proceed. So here we have the LMB type. The LMB type have to be the unique cable LMB/SAT-CR RMBT, unique cable TM/SAT-CR. Since you're gonna use a unique cable LMB to actually install the Explora decoder. Alright, so after that you come down here and you have to check on the right side of the page the signal status over there. Have to show that there is a signal. Those boot tips have to actually indicate that there is a signal. If there is no signal, those boot tips will be normal. Alright, so you come down here to highlight the scan option and you press OK to proceed. Alright, so after hitting on the scan tab over there and it's unable to scan, you have to know that the signal that is coming from your satellite dish, it's not enough to proceed with the scanning. So you have to check to get enough of the signal quality before you can proceed to scan. So after scanning, if it happens to be that it's a new decoder and there's no activation on it, you have to call the ST office, provide them with the details of your decoder, that's the IUC number and this or the SIM card number, and they're going to do the necessary activation right there for you. Alright, so if it happens to be that today is your first time being on this channel, all you guys to do is to subscribe and you hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.